Here we are on one of the important heritage square of Medina Al Munawwara. This is located just 500 meters west of Old Masjid Nabawi or Babu Salam Gate. You can see in a view two very beautiful heritage mosques, one here in the left with multiple domes and minarets, and one exactly in the front of us. Behind this you can see this beautiful monuments. Both of them are the mosque that dated back towards the days of Ottomans. So you can see the beauty of its construction using the bricks. As I'm going a little bit close, a single dome and a pencil shaped minaret. And now on the left, this mosque before is open for the prayers but now have been closed, maybe due to the COVID. So this is also Ottoman days construction. You can see this beautifully preserved square. Actually both of these mosques are built on a site that has been believed that where Prophet peace be upon him has performed Eid prayers in 631 Gregorian, or like 9 year of Hijri calendar. So here the mosque is named as Masjid Abi Bakr or Abu Bakr later on, and this mosque is very much famous as Masjid-e-Ghamama. So Ghamama is a name in Arabic for the clouds. So this also, there is one narration that Prophet peace be upon him has performed the supplication or the prayers for the rain at this site. So that's why this mosque is also named as Masjid-e-Ghamama. So you can see the beautiful brick structures, black bricks. This closed mosque, I cannot show you the interiors, but this is one of the beautiful verandas. And here the gates, these black stones has been used, built on the arches. This mosque having 5 gateways, but this is a main gate, and in Arabic at the top you see it's written Masjid Al-Ghamama. And this construction dated back, inside they have some plaques, this construction dated back almost more than 100 years before, at the start of the 20th century. And it is believed that on this side the first mosque was built by Caliph Umar bin Abdul Aziz, and later on with the time many modifications and renovations have been done, and the last construction was major construction was done in the days of Sultan Abdul Majid I, and later on some extensive renovations was done that presently we saw this structure. And I'll try to take a view from here, because at that time the sun was coming out from that direction. It was difficult to capture. So here you can take the view of the mosque. So this is a beautiful minaret. You can see the sunlight is coming from the direction. You just explore it from behind a little bit. You can see it's the rear portion of the mosque, side portion of the mosque. And after completing this, we'll go to Masjid Abu Bakr, the other mosque that is present on the other flank I showed you at the start. We're just taking around from outside. So from here you can see the mihrab from outside, the part that is facing towards the Makkah, and give a very beautiful view. And from here we can try to show you the dome also. You see the pigeons are sitting at the dome.